Are you ready to travel without stress? At the airport, the right English words can make all the difference. In this video, you'll learn the 100 most common airport words that every traveler needs. Stay with me because the words at the end might surprise you. Airport. The airport is very crowded today. Flight. Our flight leaves in 2 hours. Ticket. She bought a ticket to New York. Boarding. Boarding will begin at gate 7. Gate. The passengers are waiting at the gate. Terminal. The taxi dropped us off at the terminal. Check-in. We need to check in before the flight. Passport. Please show your passport at the counter. Visa. He needs a visa to travel to Canada. Luggage. Her luggage is very heavy. Suitcase. He packed 2 suitcases for the trip. Baggage. The baggage claim area is on the ground floor. Security. Security is checking everyone's bags. Customs. We had to go through customs after landing. Immigration. Immigration officers checked our documents. Departure. The departure board shows our flight is delayed. Arrival. The arrival hall was full of people. Boarding pass. Don't lose your boarding pass. Carry-on. You can take 1 carry-on bag with you. Delay. The flight had a 2-hour delay. Cancelled. Their flight was cancelled because of the storm. On time. The plane landed on time. Pilot. The pilot welcomed us on board. Crew. The cabin crew served drinks during the flight. Stewardess. The stewardess smiled while greeting passengers. Seat. My seat is next to the window. Window. She prefers a window seat. Aisle. He asked for an aisle seat. Row. We are sitting in row 12. Overhead. Put your bag in the overhead compartment. Compartment. The compartment was already full. Boarding gate. We need to go to boarding gate A3. Announcement. An announcement was made about the flight delay. Schedule. The flight schedule has changed. Connection. I have a connection flight in Paris. Transfer. We will transfer to another plane in Dubai. Layover. There is a 3-hour layover in Rome. Terminal map. He looked at the terminal map for directions. Restroom. The restroom is near the waiting area. Waiting area. We stayed in the waiting area until boarding. Information desk. Ask at the information desk for help. Lost and found. She went to Lost and Found for her phone. Shuttle. The airport shuttle took us to the hotel. Taxi. We took a taxi from the airport. Bus. The bus stop is in front of the terminal. Train. The airport train goes to the city center. Parking. The parking lot is almost full. Duty free. He bought perfume at the duty-free shop. Shop. There are many shops inside the airport. Restaurant. We ate at an Italian restaurant near the gate. Cafe. She had coffee at the airport cafe. Lounge. Business class passengers can use the lounge. Delay notice. A delay notice appeared on the screen. Boarding time. Our boarding time is 8:30. Boarding zone. We are in boarding zone 2. Checkpoint. Security checkpoint lines are very long. Metal detector. Everyone passed through the metal detector. X-ray. Bags go through an X-ray machine. Immigration officer. The immigration officer stamped my passport. Officer. The officer asked me a few questions. Traveler. Every traveler needs valid documents. Tourist. The airport was full of tourists. Passenger. Passengers must fasten their seatbelts. Boarding line. The boarding line is getting longer. Hand luggage. Keep your hand luggage with you. Tag. Attach the tag to your suitcase. Conveyor belt. Bags arrive on the conveyor belt. Baggage claim. We went to baggage claim after landing. Flight number. What is your flight number? Destination. The destination is Los Angeles. Origin. The origin of this flight is Madrid. Round trip. She booked a round-trip ticket. One way. He bought a one-way ticket. Reservation. I made a reservation online. Confirmation. The email is your booking confirmation. Upgrade. He got a free upgrade to business class. Economy. Most people fly economy class. Business class. Business class offers more space. First class. First class tickets are very expensive. Checkpoint line. The checkpoint line moved slowly. Customs declaration. You must fill out a customs declaration. Arrival hall. They waited in the arrival hall. Departure hall. We met in the departure hall. Immigration line. The immigration line was long. Airline. The airline lost my luggage. Staff. The staff helped us with directions. Counter. Go to the airline counter to check in. Ticket office. The ticket office is near the entrance. Travel document. Always carry your travel document. Identity. They checked my identity at security. Boarding call. A boarding call was made for our flight. Flight attendant. The flight attendant gave us blankets. Oxygen mask. The oxygen mask is above your seat. Seat belt. Please fasten your seat belt. Life jacket. The life jacket is under the seat. Emergency exit. The emergency exit is clearly marked. Runway. The plane is waiting on the runway. Takeoff. The plane is ready for takeoff. Landing. The landing was very smooth. Arrival time. The arrival time is written on your ticket. Great job! Now you know the 100 most important English words for the airport. With these words, your next trip will be much easier and more confident. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who also want to improve their English. Keep practicing every day, and I'll see you in the next lesson.